Today, I'm going to tell you how to make the 100% detox beetroot carrot juice. This is a must try in empty stomach, especially during breakfast. For this, I'm going to take 2 pieces of carrot, preferably Ooty carrots because they're very juicy, and chop them the way I'm showing in the video. Next, I'm taking 1 beetroot, which is large, and I'm going to chop it into small pieces, first vertically like this, and then horizontally, so that they are cut into small pieces. Ensure that you've already taken the skin out and nicely washed and cleaned them prior to cutting them the way I'm showing it in the video. Now I'm going to carry this beetroot which is chopped into the mixer grinder and then top it up with the carrots which have been nicely chopped. I'm going to add 1 piece of ginger to it and also some mint leaves for flavor. I'll add some water so that they are submerged completely and grind them well. Post grinding, I'm going to nicely run it through a sieve, add some lemon juice for tangy taste, some salt, top it up with some pepper, and add some honey. Honey is completely optional depending on how sweet we want the drink to be. Now our 100% detox drink is ready to be had.